Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmols, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. When Yemayá saved ÒshÓsì and Inlè. Story. This is where Inlè and Oshóòsì were the children of Yemayá, and each had his own craft. Inlè was a fisherman, and Oshóòsì was a hunter. Inlè worshipped Òrù Òde Òrun, who ruled half the world during the night. That is why the best fishing is done at night. Oshóòsì worshipped Wàwà Tòdó Oló Òrun, who ruled half the world during the day. That is why the best hunting is done during the day. Yemayá used to sing a suyèrè, a sacred chant to protect her sons, and it went like this. Baba karere, Baba karere. Father, let them return home safely. Erosi Baba karere. Father, calm yourself and let them return home. Yere upon, before the power of the dust of the world, refers to the Ayafa of Orunmila. Baba karere, Erosi Baba karere, Awata Oniyo, the one who goes to fish the sacred fish. Baba karere, Erosi Baba karere, Awaka Omode, the great child of the hunt. Yemayá always did this because she was worried about the fate of her sons. She went to see Olúò Shíwíshì, who was Omo Ọbàtálá, and he saw the destinies of Yemayá's children through the Odu Tóyàlé, Ogunda Méjì. He performed Ebo through her and saved them. Although Olúò Shíwíshì always lived in the house of Ọbàtálá, he was also a brother to Inlè and Oshóòsì. Note: in this Ifa, it was born the principle that through a mother, one can consult the oracle and perform Ebo to save a child, even if the child is not physically present. This is also where Arun Awala Ini, which is tetanus, was born. The affliction that always pursues Inlè and Oshóòsì. It would enter arrows and fishing hooks, trying to destroy the sons of Yemayá.